Hot chocolate like you've never experienced before. This is not that chalky powdered stuff you had as a kid. This is the real deal and it's simple to make. Let's get started. We're gonna start by adding 4 cups of whole milk into a pot. That's 2, here goes 4. That's the base for our hot chocolate. Now I'm gonna turn this to a light simmer. You can use whatever chocolate your heart desires. I'm just breaking up 200 grams of chocolate here. A mix of dark and milk chocolate, mostly dark because I love that kind of bitter taste, which I know is not for everyone. And I'm just gonna start chopping it. The thing with this recipe is that you don't have to be exact with your measurements. You can use more chocolate or less chocolate. Depends how much of a sweet tooth you have. And I have a big sweet tooth. You just want the pieces small enough so that they will melt quite evenly and quickly in your milk. Okay, and that's pretty much all you need right there. I'm just gonna add the chocolate into the milk. What a beautiful sight. Just stir it up and it's gonna start to melt into that milk when it heats up. I'm also going to add a few tablespoons of cocoa powder. Let's go with 2.5. For those who don't know, I am Canadian, so I'm gonna add in some maple syrup, but you can go with honey as well. And I'm just gonna stir this up. There are very few things in this world that pair better with chocolate than raspberries. So we're gonna make a raspberry drizzle to go on top of our hot chocolate. While this is slowly heating up, I'm just gonna transfer it literally to the back burner. Add in 1 quart of raspberries. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of sugar. I never said this recipe was healthy. I am also going to use the zest of an entire lemon. Okay, that should be good there. So I'm just gonna mix this all together and kind of squish these raspberries down. So I'm also going to squeeze in the juice of that same lemon and trying to avoid getting the seeds in there. Beautiful, it smells so good. I'm just stirring up the hot chocolate every once in a while. No hot chocolate is complete without some whipped cream. We are making our own whipped cream from scratch, so I just have some heavy cream, 1 cup. I'm gonna put that in my mixer. If you don't have a mixer, don't worry, you can do this by hand. It's a little bit of a workout, but still gets the job done. And next I'm adding 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. We are starting slow here. Just gonna add in a splash of vanilla. Oh, it's almost done. We are getting pretty close. Check it out, that looks pretty good to be honest. Our raspberry drizzle is done, but I don't want all these little seeds in there, so we're gonna strain those out. Well, I added a touch of water. Looks like we're getting a lot more now. There we go. So I'm just transferring our raspberry puree into this container so I can drizzle it on top of the hot chocolate. Adding this whipped cream, a piping bag. Okay, the hot chocolate is done and it smells really good. It's finally time to assemble the hot chocolate. It is piping hot. Okay, I am not a cake decorator, but I'm gonna do my best here. This is looking pretty good. Not the best, but we'll take it. We'll add our specialty sauce. Beautiful. Some graham cracker crumbs. A little bit of icing sugar. Now that is a good looking hot chocolate if you ask me. Okay, let's do a taste test. Assuming this is still very hot. So much better than those powdered ones. I think it's definitely worth the effort. Well, I'm gonna enjoy this and probably another one as well. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.